Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. We've got a beautiful home for you. You don't want to miss this one.
Beachy Beach.
So today we're on the far west end of Panama City Beach. We're past 79, you're a short distance to 30A, and everything that's on the west end of Panama City Beach. You've got Publix nearby, and it's so quiet. I mean, just look at this. It's like an oasis here. Let's go in and check this beauty out. Welcome to this beautiful second story level of the home, and there's some features I want to point out. This kitchen is overlooking the dining room and right into the living room. But something special is you've got these beautiful hardwoods throughout this whole level, and it's just stunning. So up here, you've got your living, dining, kitchen, and the main bedroom. Downstairs, we'll go check that out in just a moment. For now, enjoy this fireplace and let's head to the bedroom. Welcome to the main bedroom. It's got so much space, and these beautiful hardwood floors are in here as well. In this one, because it can be a rental or it can be your primary, you do have a Jack and Jill type setup for the bathroom. You can access it for an ensuite here, but it's also available to your guests from the hallway so they don't have to enter your quiet space. And don't forget that balcony that's attached to here, you can just see and the quiet, the pristine preserve that's behind. It's so beautiful. The other two bedrooms are on the bottom level, and they're available. They're split, so if you have guests or the kids, you're not gonna be hearing the noises and such. But it's perfect because you can enter and go straight to the room, and this is just a cute, perfect little beach house. And look at this luscious back area for you to live in. You can extend your living outdoors. You've got a hot tub here, this beautiful layout of a backyard, and you can just open it wide from the bottom room even. Whatever your heart desires. You've got so much indoor and outdoor space. So for more information, look at the description below. Check out the listing link, call your favorite realtor because you're not gonna wanna miss this one at all. And don't forget, ring the bell, subscribe to The Beach Show on YouTube so that you don't miss out on any future deals like this one. Bye.